touch the paw and bring the reward back and squeeze a little bit of that meat out. We remove the reward, we touch the paw and we instantly reward. It's really important that you give that reward quite quickly after the touch so that he associates those two things coming together. I remove the reward, I touch his paw and I reward. Touch his paw and I reward. I touch his paw and I reward. And at the beginning, I'm touching his paw very gently and for a very short duration of time. We want him to be accepting of the handling and not forcing it upon him. So we have to go in very, very gentle steps. Sometimes cats are quite sensitive about having their paws touched. Touch his paw for a little bit longer this time and reward. Now if you find your cat pulls his paw away or he leaves or he feels tense when you touch his paw, then you've probably gone a step too far and you need to go back a step. Touch his paw and reward. Touch his paw and reward. Touch his paw a little bit longer this time and reward. Touch and reward. Touch and reward. Lift and reward. Lift and reward. One of the things that Herbie really likes is to be tickled under his chin. As you can see, he lifts his chin so that I can scratch underneath his chin. And this is very rewarding for Herbie. So we can use this as a reward when we're handling other areas on his body. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to practice tonight lifting the back of the skin, lifting the skin at the back of Herbie's neck, imitating what we would do in a veterinary surgery if the vet was lifting the skin for an injection. So what we do is we touch the area and then we reward. Again, touch the area and reward. Herbie also likes verbal praise, so we can use this as well. Touch the area, release that, and reward. Good boy, Herbie. Isn't that nice? Touch the area for a little bit longer this time. Release and reward. Now, because being scratched under the chin is really rewarding for Herbie, and because he's pretty good generally at handling, that's enough of a reward for him. But if your cat needs something that's much, much more rewarding, think about other things that can be rewards. For example, food would be a good one if it's not too exciting for your cat, or as we'll see with Cosmos, access to a grooming brush is something that he really likes. So we'll build up this touch. Just lifting that skin and rippling it between your fingers very, very gently and rewarding. Good boy, Herbie. Remember, we only do this type of handling associated with this article if our cats are already comfortable with being having general handling such as stroking and fussing. If they're not comfortable with that, then we wouldn't start this handling procedure. Again, just lifting the skin now ever so gently and rewarding. Good lad. And because he's responding well to this and tolerating that type of handling very well, at each time I'll take it a little stage further. So this time I'll lift that skin and reward. Good boy. Good lad. And again, just lift that skin and reward. Good boy. And that's enough for now. We want to do very small sessions in this type of work. Good boy, Herbie.